Umulan ng trees mga idol at walang magpatalo sa championship game ng Filipino-Chinese Athletic Association 40 above division. Parang 3-point showdown mga idol ang palitan ng trees ni na Biging Jim Shop, Chris Chu, Kent Bono at The Ninja Joseph Yu. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanilang 4 game highlights. Game 1 finals ng Wasyong College Iloilo Lamtics Fights at Xavier Acro City Jesus. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
The first possession. Welcome to game 1 in this best of 3 finals. And Chris Chu will open it up with a layup. A nice pass from the
first 3 shots of James Yap, missing all 3 on point blank range.
Eldridge Liao from the corner. He's down for a 3-pointer. Too strong. And James Shop, time to settle down siguro. Masyado mataas pa yung adrenaline kanina. Here he is. He goes Ken Bono with his second attempt for a 3 and gets it to go down. The clean Buday signaling everybody down to the front court. Magnifico, nice find. Jose Villegas underneath. Eldridge Liao, ball dead. Napunta kay Chris Chu, he's open. He gets it to go down. Another 3 for Xavier Acro City. Thank you very much for doing so, for attending this game 1 ng ating best of 3 finals. Ken Bono earlier had a 3, trying to pound it inside. And Xavier Acro City with a bad pass. Ken Bono with his second baskets. Eldridge Liao throws a long pass. And Big Joe Joseph. Joseph Yo goes cross court. Chris Chu against James Yap. Chris Chu firing another 3. Counting another 3.
Chuachaco ng AXA Philippines.
Siyempre supporter din ng FCAI and PG Flex Linoleum. Oh, what happened there? There was a buzzer. Of the loose ball. Joseph Yo right now fires the 3. Gets it to go down.
Here, the first quarter.
15-9. Lamang ang Xavier Acro City Sus. And that's the first basket for Jets around. And Xavier Acro City Sus with Joseph Yo. Ginulo, he recovers. And now time to set up their half-court offense. Another corner 3. Wato Aliado. James Yap with a 3. Back-to-back baskets for big game James.
Kaya pahinga muna for 2-star players dito sa Xavier alumni.
James Yap once again with a basketball. He fires from the corner. He gets it to go down. It's a long 2.
Alam mo, gipit na siya doon sa kanto na yun eh, no?
Eldridge Liao points and a couple of 3-pointers. Oops! Biagaw. Leo Panuday. Big ends up with Chris Chu and now Joseph Yo from the left side of the front court. He fires. He uses the pass and he gets it to go down.
Tirang veterano.
By Xavier Acro City Sus. And here's Joseph Yo firing another 3. This time to the right side. And he gets order. James Yap to Ken Bono.
Round robin layup for Ken Bono. The plan is really to try to hit their outside shot because they have more 3-point attempts than a 2-point field goal.
What a sprint move by Leo, giving them a 6-point cushion in their lead here with 3 minutes to play in the first half. Chris Chu, that's his first basket here in the second quarter.
So naka 2-3 naman ngayon, giving a different look para dito sa Wasyong Iloilo.
Ken Bono going to James Shop, another 3 and another make. The James Yap.
Look at that, seeing a sign dito kay Joseph Yo. Grabe itong si Liao Benji.
Joseph Yo fires another 3. That's his third here in the first half.
8 out of 2 for Xavier.
Chris Chu now makes a move. It's up against Eduardo Aliado. Joseph Yo. He fires an up-balance 3. Did not go down. the roots pa rin. School pride pa rin talaga ang pinaglalabanan. Joseph Chua. This is 5 against 4. And a basket for Jose Villa.
Mataas yung double team kay James Yap.
They go inside, and that's the first basket.
That they need to protect the basket, and the first 5 minutes of the third quarter is very crucial for them, so they need to go for an early offense. Benji and Coach Edster.
About that truth to that. Behind and rebounds, it's a plus 14. Now Washo. Ken Bono. And of course, Bosper. And I was already making mention of what happened in that battle for 30. Isa lang ang naging lamang ng St. Stephen at the end of that ball game. It was close. Agaw muli nun lamang ng muli. Pero wala silang naipasok. And an escape point for St. Stephen. And here's Cambo. Cinco. And James Yap right now in the paint. Hooks it up. That's blocked. Specialty for Marvin Sioco. Cambo makes up for it with a three-pointer.
8 straight points.
Here in game 1. Seconds. Kanuday, Ken Bono, another three, and another break for Ken Bono. Supposed to be averaging a double-double. Chris Chu, oh, finally, Chris Chu again, 13 points, and he will have the final say to end this final quarter. Enjoying it. Yeah, the now James Yap. James Yap attacks. James Yap. The backing shot too strong. Down for the loose ball. James Yap ends up with it underneath.
Tama, best of 3 lang ito. So, winning the first game, isa na lang kailangan mo.
Eduardo Aliado adds up to the 3-point shoot.
Buko lang kalamangan ng Huasho, 56-41.
James Yap. 18 points. And guess what? It was Paul Chua with a miss. What a thrace! Pero mahaba pa to. 6.5. Yun na doon na papasok siguro yung second wind. Challenged right there by Marvin Sioco.
That's Joseph Chua, Benji.
Yes, Joseph Chua. Pero kanina ng first half, ano? Grabe, tabla nga tayo. Tapos ng first half, eh. Let's see, ubusan tayo ng bala kung baga parang mga FPJ movies. And it will end this way.